Are you aware that India is the diabetic capital of the world with over 7.8 crores diabetic patients? What is more alarming is that India also has 10.7 crore people who are pre-diabetic, which is more than the population of countries like Japan, France, Germany, UK and Russia. It is predicted that this number will rise 120% in the next 20 years. And the sad part is that over 50% of the people who have diabetes are not even aware of their state. Today from my channel Active Ash, I will share info about diabetes, pre-diabetes, natural way to control them and dietary supplements which will surely help to bring them under control. Diabetes occurs when a person has high blood sugar for so long that they eventually cause significant health complications if not corrected. Even though diabetes does not look like a life-threatening disease, just like a close-knit family, it brings along other diseases like obesity, high blood pressure and heart problems. There are three main types of diabetes: type 1, type 2 and gestational. Though type 1 diabetes can develop at any age, it mostly occurs in children and adolescents. It's basically a birth defect and there is no known prevention for type 1 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes, the most common type of diabetes, is a disease that occurs when your blood glucose, also called as blood sugar, is too high. Blood glucose is your main source of energy and comes mainly from the food you eat. Insulin, a hormone made by the pancreas, helps glucose get into your cells to be used for energy. In type 2 diabetes, your cells become resistant to the action of insulin, and your pancreas is unable to make enough insulin to overcome this resistance. Instead of moving into your cells where it's needed for energy, sugar builds up in your bloodstream and over time it turns into type 2 diabetes. The exact cause of type 2 diabetes is unknown. The third type of diabetes is gestational diabetes. Gestational diabetes is due to insulin blocking hormones produced during pregnancy. This type of diabetes occurs only during pregnancy. Before a person becomes diabetic, they remain in the pre-diabetic stage for a long time. In this video, we will discuss majorly on pre-diabetes and type 2 diabetes. The major difference between the two stages is your blood sugar readings. Blood sugar levels for type 2 diabetes will be more than 126 during fasting, random blood sugar will be 200 or more, and blood sugar of 200 or more 2 hours after glucose tolerance test. You are a pre-diabetic if your fasting sugar levels are between 100 and 125 and 140 and 199 after 2 hours of consuming food. Today, India has more pre-diabetes than diabetic patients. This is a major concern as people are unaware of this stage, and if not controlled timely, it will lead to diabetes. The early warning signals of blood sugar imbalances are sudden feeling of heaviness, fatigue and exhaustion, cravings within 1 to 2 hours post heavy meals, being overweight, frequent urination and constant thirst and blurred vision. Factors that contribute to blood glucose problems are: first, being overweight, next, being 45 years or older, parents or siblings with similar health condition, sedentary lifestyle and lack of physical exercise, gestational diabetes, pre-diabetes and high blood pressure, high cholesterol or high triglycerides level. As type 2 diabetes is majorly a lifestyle related disease, hence it can be brought under control by making some lifestyle changes and eating habits. Let's now discuss a few of them. First is exercise. Did you know that exercise can reduce blood sugar levels on a short term and hemoglobin A1C levels in the long run? Just 20-minute walk after your major meals will help you control your blood sugar levels. Next is choose healthy foods. One should avoid sugary drinks, white bread, cookies, fried foods and fruit juices. Consume healthy fats like salmon fish, avocados, nuts, black beans, green leafy vegetables and blueberries. Next is reduce carb intake. Carbohydrates increase glucose in the blood which spikes sugar levels. We can rather have foods with low GI like low-fat dairy, proteins like beans, chickpeas, peanuts, and vegetables like spinach, cucumber, bell peppers, and broccoli. Next point is consume more fiber. Eating food with high fiber helps in keeping the stomach full and stops you from overeating. Next is maintain ideal weight. Type 2 diabetes can be caused by excess fat in pancreas and liver. Losing excess weight reduces fat in pancreas and helps remedy the disease. Point number 6 is managing stress. High stress level increases cortisol in the body, which doesn't allow glucose levels to go down, causing high blood sugar. Last point is supplementation. Various vitamins, minerals, and herbs can help you in the journey towards a healthy lifestyle. We will now discuss a few of them, which helps in both type 2 diabetes and pre-diabetes stage. First is a herbal product, Madhunashini Shunti Twak. Madhunashini is known to cut down sugar levels in the body. Each individual herb is known to support healthy glucose metabolism and maintain healthy glucose levels. Also, it supports normal pancreatic function of the body, supports normal lipid profile, and have antioxidant properties. One tablet can be taken 40 minutes post lunch and dinner. Next product is a multivitamin, Neutralite Daily, along with 23 vitamin and minerals, contains a vital nutrient called chromium. Deficiency of chromium can lead to diabetes. One tablet can be consumed post breakfast. Next is All Pran Protein Powder. Adequate protein will help you keep full and prevent spiking of sugar levels like carbohydrate does. All Pran Protein Powder is neutral in taste, doesn't contain any sugar or preservatives. It can be added in your favorite drink, curries, and healthy protein pancakes. One scoop contains 8 grams of protein and comes with a PDCA score of 1. Next is Neutralite Fiber. Fiber plays a big role in digestion. Neutralite Fiber has 3 best quality of soluble fiber like inulin, resistant maltodextrin, and gorgum. It helps you keep full and reduces snacking. 1 scoop each should be taken post lunch and dinner. If you need more info on this topic, you can WhatsApp me on my number mentioned in the description box. Thanks for watching and bye for now.